98online.com/livewire.
Here's one that says, we've been hearing that screwed up hum in Parkville. Look. I live in Edgewood, and last week I heard it. I thought it was a train, so I'm guessing it's coming from the base.
It's a slutty 15-year-old.
The humming noise is all of the women's marital aids getting ready for 50 Shades of Grey.
Not a bad idea.
It's a good theory.
Mm-hmm. Fresh batteries, ladies.
I live on my boat at the Anchorage, right downtown. I get up and look out all the time. I think it's a tugboat moving a ship around, but there is no movement anywhere. Guy in the boat's hearing it.
All right, let's talk to we got here.
Real quick, why don't we take a listen to some of the sounds so we know what we're talking about?
You got
I pulled
some
up some
stuff?
great clips. A lot of it's from Canada, but there's the Westminster ones over there as well.
Here's the one we were just referencing. What the hell?
Listen.
Sounds like wind.
No, if you watch the video, it's not wind.
It's a scary sky,
it's like
too.
deep in the distance, just like this.
Listen to that. If you told me this was audio from Pacific Rim.
Right. That's the kind of sound it is, like this weird, deep earth giant rumble.
Here we go. This is Manitoba, Canada. I believe, what's the date on this, Mike? I see 2000-something. It's 2000, What do we got? Scroll that over for me. It's 2012. Okay, this ain't all that long ago.
No.
This is up north.
That's trippy. It's loud.
That sounds like something from
That's,
Pacific Rim.
Yes, that sounds like
dog's
something
barking.
from beneath the ocean.
Or what was that movie where the thing takes over New York City and it was real, like, cryptic?
Cloverfield.
Cloverfield, like a weird Cloverfield
Oh, my God.
sound.
Please do a sequel to that, by the way. This is location unknown just last year. Whoa! What is that?
It's a land whale.
You sure this isn't coming from Amelia's bedroom?
That can't be real.
Dude,
that can't be real.
I hear
Imagine
that.
sitting in your house and you start to hear this. I would freak out. That's out of a movie. That's not real.
Are you sure
That's out of a movie.
That's not, what is it? What's the H.G. Wells, War of the Worlds, Tom Cruise remake? That sounds like a tripod attacking.
That's the movie I'm thinking of with that weird sound in the distance.
That's okay. You know what? They're tripods. Let's jump to real quick. Jeff, Virginia, used to be in the military, and you were stationed near this HARP project.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, I was in Alaska for a couple of years, and we were close to the facility. We did logistical support and communications, and they didn't really do anything that crazy. But it is a top secret facility, and all they did was just study weather patterns, phenomena, and
So it's something like a
translating things.
phenomenon.
No, not really. It's just like how the weather patterns are changing and all that, and they also send out signals up in the atmosphere.
Yeah,
in
okay.
the
So they're
atmosphere
sending
most
out
specifically.
signals. Don't make
they're
it seem
sending-
like it's
Yeah.
nothing.
It's
Now-
something. They're sending
They're
sound
sending
waves up.
signals. You just said it.
Uh-huh. They're trying to change
No,
weather.
Now that's one of the theories that a lot of the guys talk about all the time. It's like I don't know if you guys remember back in the day. I don't know if you guys remember G.I. Joe, but Cobra Commander had something like that.
It's
like a
Cobra.
weather-
I told you it was Cobra.
What was the general consensus for people up around that Alaska area? And like you, did they think weird stuff was going on, or they're just like, oh, they're monitoring the weather?
The general consensus was they're doing some kind of a project to manipulate weather to be used as a
See?
weapon.
I'm
See?
telling you.
See?
I'm telling you. You hear this out there.
That's Godzilla. I don't know what you guys think, but that sounds like the new Godzilla movie.
That's what I said, like Cloverfield or Godzilla or War of the Worlds. Now, wait, did you hear noises like that or no up there?
No, I think he bounced.
Oh.
Sorry. Well, hold on. We got Chris Westminster. He's got some more answers about HARP. Chris, you there, brother? Christopher.
That's it. They got him.
Oh, God,
He's
they
dead.
got him. Alyssa from the Delta. What's up, Boo?
Good morning.
Good morning, my
Morning.
dear.
So the sound that you've been playing, the really loud horns, sounds like something out of Cloverfield.
It does.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I live up by Peach Bottom Power Plant up in Delta,
Uh-huh.
and I have heard those exact noises late at night. Like it sounds almost like a transformer.
Oh, God.
So now,
Yeah.
what conclusion did your brain come to justify this or to
Hopefully an
to
Autobot.
realize what it was?
Well, I was sitting out there with my husband, and we listened to it for a good 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And at the beginning of the Transformers movie, like right before the Autobots show up, they
Right
play
before
that
it started
real
to
loud
suck for
horn.
3 hours?
Huh?
Yeah.
What?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
What were you saying? You said you sat there and listened to it for 5 minutes, and then what?
Well, in the beginning of the Transformers movie, right before the Autobots show up, they play like that real loud horn, and that's just what it reminded me of when I heard it. Like it was loud and it rumbled, like you could hear it echo through the trees.
Did you call anyone?
Yeah,
like
that's what I
911?
mean. Like, what do you
I'm
do?
just trying to figure out, because everybody's hearing these noises. Does anybody call the authorities? Because there might be an explanation.
And I was gonna say, how did you explain it away to your own mind? What did you say? Like, oh, that's just.
Well, it's actually kind of funny because like 2 days before I heard that noise, I had watched that video of the unknown place. It's somewhere up in New York where they heard that sound, and the first thing I thought about was they couldn't explain it. They said that it could have been like an echo through the earth, like just the way that the ground like was formed, that it echoed just right through the ground, that it made the sound like it's coming from the sky.
Like tectonic plates rubbing against each other?
Yes. And to answer Josh's question, you called nobody.
You called no one.
Yeah.
Okay. Good work.
Hey, good to go. You hear that. Why bother calling someone?
She's sitting there with her husband in the middle of the night, and you hear that in the distance?
You want to go?
I'm getting in my car, and I don't know what, I'm fleeing.
I'll tell you what.
Like in the movies, you grab the kids and you load up the car. You get on the highway.
All right, kids, pack an overnight bag. Grab some snacks. Does anybody need a book? A little sleeping bag? Okay, there we go. We've got a 7-headed monster in the distance. Oh, look, it's Gypsy Danger. There we are.
I can't believe people are actually hearing these things. We just talked to a woman that heard that.
I tell you, I hear that. I decide to park a gun in my mouth and call it a day.
The 98 Rock Morning Show with Justin, Scott, and Spiegel.
98online.com.